Leveraging a REST API with Monitoring Studio 10. In this example, you will learn how to configure Monitoring Studio 10 to leverage the Jenkins API to monitor the availability, load, and job execution on Jenkins. Before going deep into the subject, here are some best practices to follow before configuring the monitoring of a specific application. First, identify the data source to be requested. The data source can be CLI, SNMP, API, HTML, etc. In this example, our data source is a REST API. Then, identify what output formats are available and which ones will allow you to extract and process data more easily. Returned output can, for example, be in plain text, XML, or JSON formats. Finally, identify the type of request to be performed and if the parameters should be sent. Possible requests are GET, PUT, POST, DELETE, etc. In this video, we will assume that you have a Jenkins account having the required privileges to retrieve performance and system information. The template Jenkins has been created. Macros have been created to set the context path, the protocol, and the port. The host to which the template will be applied has been configured. The template Jenkins is enabled on the host. We will therefore only focus on the configuration of the HTTP request. The first step consists in adding the HTTP request monitor to the Jenkins template. From there, we create the following GET request to obtain the list of systems. The HTTP basic authentication method is sufficient for our needs, and we will use the system credentials. We then set the collect to 5 minutes and indicate to Monitoring Studio 10 that the content of the result parameter is the HTTP response body and confirm the creation of the template. The HTTP request monitor, which is leveraging the Jenkins API, is now created. On this returned output, you can configure a text pre-processing monitor, such as JSON to CSV, is used in this template. On the processed result, you can further configure dynamic objects, string search, numeric value extraction, and value map. These different monitors will be described in another video.